You know. You know what the sacrifices have to make, right?
Yeah, me know that.
Get one little work up on Mandeville, you know.
Mandeville. So far?
Yeah. We don't wave my mind if we take it, but we need the money.
So may I come with you?
Can't go do that this time. I just want 3 months.
3 months. Me one in this bed.
When I can, I go come down. And I like a 3 months straight. When I can, I go come down.
I'm not feel comfortable with
You understand?
that,
But listen what I say. See, more work I can put in, better. More money that. You understand what I say? It's like when a man go foreign, you can't go down and take whole heap of day off. You're not going to make whole heap of money, not true? So this a contract, you know, is a housing trust work, you know. It's like a nurse. Want a house to build, you understand? And the quicker I can get to deal with that, quicker I can come down. It's a 3-month project. I know me and my team already, so I know work fast, right?
Alright, anything you say.
But you know, when I call you, I get a phone.
If
Yeah?
I call my phone and I get me it?
Last week Friday, I go up a Renee. Then I call you and I pay a voicemail. Oh. Take my phone, hey, let me tell you something.
No bother with it in that.
Yes, yo. Yo. But on a serious note, I have to do this because so right now I want to put on all the front room on the something. You understand? How we think about a family. And we can't get family up and broke pocket, you know. You understand what I say? So, need some money for the pocket. So I go up there. I call for place 1 3 months as I say fast and quick. Come back down in the place. I know I go cash it. I know say anything I want. Anything at all for you. See?
Anything you say.
Yeah. Alright. I'm reason.
Really?
Go ahead and pack in the tool them man.
Yeah, me help you.
Put on this over there. I remember your current bill, you know. Remember your current. I know you have bone whole pack current.
Prepare that.
Anyway. Alright, what am I need now? Alright.
You want your hat on?
Can't listen. No, we can't let this, you know. Alright, rest of the tool them in the car. Hold on, I want the baby and them know some ready car. Hold on. Yo! Already I'm ready, I come picking up now. Make sure someone have a helmet in the car, safety first, yeah? Yeah, I don't want to lose all up on the side, yeah. Joba. Give me a minute. So baby.
¿Cómo piensa, no?
So yeah, do it, so.
¿Cómo piensa, no?
Yeah, I can't come to you, man. When I easy. Yeah, I go on like say, to you. Come on.
And we still end up back up here, so.
Because we always have to give what you want. Okay, when I rough you up, you know, we always have to have a soft spot in my hand, you know.
If I say so. Anyway, so you're not planning to sell the piece of car?
Car at that, but I work car this. I don't sell this still, man. Remember, you know, there's no limit to the money where me can make, you know. You see, anyway, you see them at there, money. Anyway, they at there, money did there.
Anything I
I'm
say?
a contractor, so there's no limit to the money when I can make. So you see this, I soon change this one. Alright now, in the future, my thing I'm going to set on where when you see me up there, so people have to go look at it, them, I saw them up there look at broke up and up there. So.
Why not helmet drop a ground?
So I know what you say. I still want to let you go, man. As a matter of fact, I'll get something nice, man. Probably want Benz or something in the future, you know? Not short order.
I must call the people them, so they must have a for you.
Yeah,
Remember to call me a morning time and an evening time.
Listen, I don't work with nobody. I'm my own boss.
I know that.
People, them work with me. You understand? So them have to wait for me. You get what I say?
I understand what you say.
So, I don't run me.
No, I don't run me. No, why would I do that?
Because you're supposed to call me back. You see a man, alright, it's alright.
Remember, money you're going to make
food. I'm not even call him, I go upstairs, joke.
You have to call me.
You have to call him, man, so later.
Yeah.
Right, and make sure, you know, remember, don't run up the light bill, you know.
Me not run up the light bill.
Alright.
Call me.
You call her when we reach the skeleton.
And the man devil, wow.
Girl, you sure your man the man devil?
Yeah, this man, ain't gone, wow.
Girl, right now me there one place I want part and me see your man car. I'm sure your man car me see him. Me know a license plate.
My man car?
Yes, your man car.
Which part?
Up at Petersfield.
Petersfield? No, it can't go up there, so.
Girl,
me
me
confident
say.
in my man. My man not give me bone.
Girl, me say your man there up your south. So you see also when me there, some girl live over there. Me sure one of them are your man there.
Tell me away.
Girl, me ever tell you? Me ever tell you?
Take a taxi and go away.
You take a Petersfield taxi and go Petersfield.
Alright, Jelly.
And then you call me.
Me call you.
Me go send you the location.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Girl,
Yeah.
you not find any place yet, girl.
Girl, me don't know where you talk. Me
Just continue walk and you see and go at the end of the road, you go see one stop sign. Turn right. When you turn right, you will see car.
Alright. Girl, I want orange and green building, me see. And the outer end.
No, girl, I wrong road at the pan. You see the house when me did there? Where the car there? It wall no paint. The gate no paint.
But me just a pass some place where wall no paint.
Girl, you're on the wrong road, man. You see that the road, that the house where you just described to me? A different road. You go up on the next road.
Alright. Me dey go up on the next road right now. Because
Alright.
I well want catch him red-handed, you know.
Alright, girl.
Catch him boy. Can you tell me saying Ghana man devil? So I don't know how the hell. Girl, me tired.
Girl, you don't want to catch a boy. Hurry up, man. You mean by you're tired?
Me tired, you know.
Girl, you're too lazy. Hurry up and walk.
Girl, me tired. What you want me to do? The amount of place me have to go walk. Me not even know where me I go exactly. Much less.
Girl, continue your journey.
Girl, like that me I do. No, sir. As much road. Girl, me see it. I see the boy car. And right over there me I go.
Alright, good walk.
Look out the window. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Susan had this. Other day when me a pass, me see my eyes up Susan, you know. I seen car over there. And me a call him and me nah get him. Alright. Look what me gonna do with the car. No girl. I feel my car. Me know a license plate number. Alright. So call about you.
Not all. Yeah, what go on? Is a movie me there watch, man? A Jamaican movie me there watching in the area. Yo, you know, me go want some cabbage. Come on, it's a Jamaican movie. Yeah, man, you want you tonight? Yeah, man. Why you in Alaska, man? In a movie, man. They might do some good movie, man. Richard Rowe films in there, man. Yeah, man, different from that, man. Want some cabbage, some chocho, some pine and something there. Come on, drive the car, you know. Come buy, you know. Just get the paperwork and everything signed out, right? Some just want some of them things there for sitting there. If you can know, sir, then right. We can start park up on a local spot at one of them supermarket there. You know what I mean? That one dealing, man. See, car, yo, right now I can't work for people, you know. People for work for me. What work I do already, man. Look what site I work on, I place and bill. All the phase and a nigga I work on them place, the phase 3, you know. I work on them phase there, you know. And I couldn't buy a bicycle, you know. But now I start with juggling. Right now I want to improve on it. I want to stall up one place, man. I want to drive some of the time and park up the place and I buy it. Wait there, no man. Wait there, that not sound good. Wait, I'm so call about. What call about? Awa. Where much of a glass of man? I'm at them, what am I on? I look out my car glass. I just buy the car and I talk to you about, you know. Hello. Where much of the car for?
I don't see a fake car. I think I'm my boyfriend car.
I just buy it from the virgin. Cash. How you go work out now? I'm telling for my shorty. I pay him full money for it, you know. You think I pick up money? What you have said to me now? Yeah, money can't fix it back.
No, I don't have no money. I think I'm my boyfriend car. Because I feel say cheat him, cheat for me with the girl over here, so.
So you come mash out the car glass?
Yeah.
What your man there?
I don't know when they come here calling phone and I'm not getting.
So, you have to go pick up that to the man, but for now, we have to call the police, or you have to talk to me. The car is now mine. The papers, let me look for in the car. Let me have to show you the type, sir. Show you, set. What that's now? Where the girl is? Yo! Stain, what go on? One girl just smash out my car glass, daddy. Yeah, but you know, I say, yeah, man, I'm busy up and down. But a girl just smash out my car glass. Look at the whole of the car glass, bad boy. Just now, right, the girl right in front of me. Things say, in man have a car just like this here. So in this side, say, I have mash out the man car glass. And look at me, I look like a man. Yeah, mash out your man car, go look for your man car. So how you go? No, me buy it. Me buy it. Who you have something go buy it of a man lives, me go buy it. Popeye! The Popeye there. Popeye! Your name there the place when me buy the car of a man lives. The girl that say mash out the car glass and say I'm man car. And me and the girl not there. How come you mash out my car? You see, long as me buy the car, I can't your man car, you know. What we got about it?
No. You have a friend on
Me have to call the police, yes or no?
No, I call the police.
She said she don't want me call the police. Me have to go judgment to myself then. A judgment day today. Come out, son. Me have to go talk. Hold on, pan. You have no ID, pan, you? You have no ID, pan, you?
No, I can't get no.
No, because you can't run out. All of them can't run, you know. If you know Merlin Atty, me and I used to train a camp. A champs, me and I go. I just took belly when full the game for run. You couldn't run. Tell her that. With a big like them. So you can't go and think you can run them. Me have to get some picture of you. Yo! Me have to go like, yo, me call her back. Me call her back, bad boy. I will call her back. I'm nervous. Me have a look at money in. Have a look at money. I must say outline this here. Have a look at money. Me have to go make a deal. Alright?
Go ahead.
Where you going ahead, so? When the young people can't mind you know. Where you going ahead? No, go ahead. We not going to so. Me have to do the Christian. But you going ahead and we not reach to say it. Come. I'm not no call until me get that shit. Me sweat. Alright now. Yeah, your man still there.
Yeah, my name's still there.
Alright now.
Yes,
So here we go on and on. For my car, you know if a ring screen or back mirror or back glass. You go cost me a arm and a leg. So you go cost you every little thing.
I don't understand.
You go cost you all. You not your money?
No, I not no money.
Oh God. And that chain look like a real chain, a real gold?
Yes, I will go.
But you know value nothing if you carry down a pawn shop. You not go buy back the car glass. So where you go do still? You look good smart, you know. Spin a roll. Spin a roll.
So I can't hold you up.
No, I'm just spin a roll. You can work out something man. You can buy back the car glass. But you have to go
What this mean?
you have to go start up something with me. Because I'm not a woman. Woman fly off a foreigner. For me buy her the visa, I no see her back. And me no call her, she no call me. She just do want her visa. She get her visa, she good. But now me die yard and now, me just get me one car. You know, so some goods me say me go put in her back right and drive with and sell some cabbage and some pop chai and go and survive it. I don't really care about nobody who go on a foreigner thing. But like you're there now, 3 months.
3 months what?
3 months was a female attendancy for me. I'm fix the car glass myself.
You have to think about that first.
Alright, stand up and think. Nothing too long though. So me have 991 per speed dial. So if you want, try me.
Alright.
Go and think. One.
Yeah, alright.
Alright now. So yeah, so come for this agreement yeah, we are visualize it. I'm just put my video.
So I'm gonna tell my man say.
No, worry about that. You not tell him say come car glass. I mean not tell him say me I do things. We not invite we see for no one this a deal we gonna be confidential agreement. Nobody shall see this video more than you and I unless you say otherwise. So let me see if I can catch it. This is good in court. I will carry a court. So the best thing you do, you say, listen now, I don't understand the phone. I'll put the camera there. I'm trying to find a camera on it.
So you have big phone, I don't know about it.
No, you know, say, I'm a family, them foreign buy me iPhone. Yeah.
See camera.
Alright. See there, you're just coming in my life and you're useful already. And you're useful. Alright, now this is camera. Alright? This is camera work. Alright, now see me that. I'm look good on TV. Oh, hey, I look good. Alright, now ready. Alright, now so you say after me. I say you laugh. You like it? I will there with you for 2-3 months for licking out your car glass window. Say it.
May stay with you for 3 months for lick out a car glass window.
No, you're not going to stay with me, no. You're going to half your surf and go back to your yard. You go tell a man, say, get a new work, I go get your outfit like you're a nurse. You go be my day nurse, my night nurse. Some of the time, I go up on double. Me tell you never come in on double. Right, a shift for you, you come in on the shift them. Say that. I come in on the shift them and do what you say I must do.
Okay, me come on the shift them and do what you say.
Just with, and after
so
3
months. So me have to say you
yeah.
don't have good evidence for the phone.
Yes, said I did mash out the car glass. Say that. Say no, I can't recover. Say I did mash out the car glass.
Yeah, me mash out your car glass.
Alright, you know hear it also? So you concrete and he said. Alright. This is an immediate relationship. I never get a better woman more than you. Alright. That's good. And where you live there now? Come here, go in your yard. Let me say I know where you live. Come to drop you off right on your yard. So you know what I'm saying? Me no want drop you off and drive fast. Me no want not to be on going to say. Me come.
Babes. What's up? I'm home. Wow. Wow, them suppose I went gunman and come in for you here. I'm do that on purpose, you know. Oh, well, you have to still hear something. What happened? Guess what?
But you never call me and tell me so you have to come or not.
Guess what?
Wow.
I have a surprise for you. But this one, you're not gonna like it, you're gonna love it.
Oh, you sure?
Sure.
Oh, wow. Tell me how.
You see it? You see it? You see it a love surprise. And I see it there, you're in a eager for more one. So you're ready? Alright, remember it's a surprise, you know. Someone just want you walk out to go see the surprise then. See? So come.
Come, what you going to do?
Alright, can you open the door for you?
Oh, I want a big surprise.
Hold on. I don't know, man. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Ta-da!
I feel this?
Yeah. For mine this,
Yeah.
you ever see me a drive on a car on my one?
Where you get money?
Oh, what kind of talk that?
Me have
Big
to
old
ask
contractor
you.
like me ask mom to get money? Come on. This is ridiculous. No, sir.
The
Look
AC
here.
I work?
AC, everything in it. You know what I say? It's a big money that I go buy. But look upon it and I say, boy, that now go too economical because you don't know me a work man I carry and all them things there and tool and them things there, you see me?
Yeah.
So I just hold the one nice and clean. Brand new, I'm my first man to drive it.
I love it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You love it? Okay. Yeah, man. So alright, you want a drive?
Yes.
Alright. Nice man.
So I'm going to learn to drive the one you know.
Right. So you say tomorrow morning because I'm kind of tired now. First.
You
Make
didn't
some.
want to try, Fran.
Tomorrow morning, man. I just want to help me count some money, you know, because you don't know. If you pay up some money, I see. See? Yes. I just run
You
come
happy
down
for
to show you.
still say
Eh?
you can buy something new in
I tell her.
3 months we go up.
I
So.
tell her. You come like you never believe me.
So
But-
you do the next car?
Eh?
You do the next car?
I trade in it, man. I trade in it and just put something on
Oh.
it and get that one. Go on. How that?
Yeah, me, man.
How that, Ranger?
Yeah, man.
What you know easy, brother? We just reach in, you know.
You know, say, boss, sorry. Good night. Good night. You know, say, I want to look at me, I go up and me one day if I could get it.
Because man bush out already, man. You know, just come down a while ago.
Yeah, man, but
Someone you work with me,
nobody
man.
laugh off of my tight pants, man, but I hope I did that, me I go.
You work with me, man. So, Alright, you are going. I just say I count out the money.
Just come in and you come for money already.
Well, Anna, give me about 20 minutes.
Alright.
I go count out the money and give. Just wait for the seat, the chair out. So,
Alright.
pardon.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Your work and not easy.
Nah, man, 2 blows and skirt. Alright, you wear get a book and pen up there, sir. And I'm if you sit down there, sir. Remember me, I king, you know. Well, I think get the breeze off. Someone has checked me already. Alright, yo. Write down 30,000 for this man, Ranjay. Ranjay, yeah. Alright, Davian forget how much DM do again? 7 days. Write down 18,000 for him. Boy, that one lazy boy.
What again?
Right down Junior get 80,000. The Mason, I'm a Mason that, yeah. Bad Mason. Carpenter youth, right down. Just put daily for him, daily. Then call him Duppy Dally, but I'll be about that one on the side, so call him Duppy Dally. Alright, right down Duppy Dally. 47,000. Hold on, I have to go find one way how I can take off. So, because then I just get there with the whole lot. Hold on, baby girl, man. Everything else, I have to find one way how I can cut down for them. You understand what I say? So I can have something hefty in my pocket. Right? So one little youth did have a name, what the youth name? Hansman. Him can't to read and in the full month, but I not pay him for full month, you know. Now give him 13,000. Right now, right now I'm not too.
And
1 month in this. I work hard. I mean, Gansman won 13,000.
Oh God, no man, babes. I can't give him 13,000.
Remember say, look at man, you want clothes. You want
Alright.
your hair, you want do, your nails, you want do.
Alright.
Relax and work it, man. I want to you.
The boss.
The youth, remember say the man and no trade man and he just did their work on the debit truck and say. You understand? Even though he did it for a full month. And me I give him food and all them. He can't want to hold for money. You understand? Alright. The last man now, Dean.
Yeah.
Watch out, I have to get the lady where work with it too. Alright. Yeah, one lady work with it, man. Get Dean work 25 days. Get that. Boy, that gunman up so I have to know what I did him, boy. Alright, give him full money. Give him 75,000. And give the lady now. Right, a woman, you know. Not too did her now bad way, but what day she need to come and work and she go through fair time.
Get 3
She work 6 days. Alright, just give her 4 grand. Give her 4 grand.
Marika. Marika. How that? I'm me girl. What me doing now?
Yes. This not safe at all.
Girl, what you mean by what me I do so early? Get up out of bed, man. I don't see you early morning now. I don't feel brush my teeth yet. Girl, you know, see, somebody may go check and me say, let me stop by you first. You know what I'm gonna lock back your door.
Okay.
So what happened? So what happened?
Girl, me there.
Girl, sorry for wake up so early, but I got somewhere and I say, me I pass by me so me just stop and give her 1 minute.
Oh, where you go so early? Look on the time, my man. Where you a man you there come from?
No, girl. All of my friend me have a link. All of my friend me have a link for sure. What wrong with you?
Alright, what make you come up here? Because I know it's the office. Make you go. Girl, where you a go so early in the morning?
Girl, up one of my friend me I go.
And that is an early morning. You go check man, friend. You check friend. A man you take. I think me an idiot. Me know you for a long time and I just know me know you.
What kind of man me I go take? Me not believe in a bun. Girl, the boy me used to talk to before this one, I give him bun already 1 time. And he box when give me. When he find out say me give him bun. Alright now sometime me harder hearing out of this ears here. You must think a joke.
Girl.
I don't believe in a bun no more, so I don't give them something there. And my friend me go check for real.
If I say so.
So you talk about give bun. And when your man there in this early morning, I notice you in the year.
Girl in Ghana man devil gonna deal with one project. So that's why I'm there by myself, me and my teddy bear.
Yeah, girl. So, anyways, what me really coming from this morning is the 5,000 I did lend you other day. Me come for collect it now because me broke and nothing go on. So, I don't know, you have the 5,000 to give me back?
So you could make your friend wire it in your account. You have to come back to me for money. Me and your friend in a girl. Anyway, me have the money. He under me pillar.
So, sure.
Awa, what make you look so G? No sir. You have to go and better. Anyway, here.
God bless you. Because I boom drive come in here early morning.
So early? No, girl, you have to go and better. Anyway, come go and buy your business. Me want to go finish sleep.
Hello, yeah, do me figure? My friend and me figure link. Now wait till about 7:30. So me I go and lie down till late time.
Yeah. Me no want you in my bed. You can't hold one.
I say you did it?
Go
Show me
on.
take my $5,000.
Yes, you take back a $5,000. You're lucky.
Alright.
Mama lock me door.
Later, it's alright.
Thank you. Hello,
Go on.
I'm there.
What you do today?
I not do nothing. How?
The man did there?
No, my man not there.
I'm lucky there, man. I don't out the gate as I come in. You know what I mean?
Me a wash.
Well, me have something for your wash too. So that washing will go up and pause until you fully charge. I'm going to give you a massage.
Hi.
Ada tak kenapa? Ada tak kenapa?
Say I wash and have something for you wash.
What?
Tonight water well, but I'm still watching this. What you do? What you do? I'm watching you. What you do?
Marika, what? Yeah, me alright. How are you there?
You know, some of the bang.
Yeah, they are bank. So how? Girl, I come here and come and check you.
Normally, the next 3 hours to go there.
3 hours from now.
Yeah.
Hour. I'm not come back till in the next 3 hour time. Yeah. Yeah, later. Hang on.
If you don't watch your door. So now, I know why I want to come catch me out.
Marika. What? Your girl, me there, man, I go and hold them. Your man did it? Me want you come link me. Come link me at my yard. You can come? Me not hear you.
My boyfriend and then me come.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
You come.
Alright. How was that? May I come? Girl. Nasa people put on my head and then I can't answer my phone. You come out somewhere anybody else come up here. I could ask anybody else. So
No.
girl, you're going like say, are you alone? Can I copy the videos?
You call me phone and know me reach here and talk about me. Go up somewhere.
You're going like a big. So what now?
Just
How are you? You and your boyfriend?
we good, you know.
You sure?
Yeah, but you ask me another question. We know what's good. What happened?
Girl, since the day me come to look for you. Regular check up on me, check up on you. Me hear you in the house of call out. Before me hear you, me see one Rasta man. They walk as me a come, one Rasta man a walk come. Lock door. When me turn up at the cam, decide to me not go come, I want to see. Cause he no look like no technician. He no look like he work a floor or nothing. So me stand up out there and look to see what I want. Now tell her what me hear. Girl, me hear you in the house a ball out fire, fire.
One hand day. I fire the inner house, make a man come in there.
You think me band big? Me record you. Cause me determined say, me have to record this. Because you have one man, and one Rasta man come in your house. And all of a sudden me I hear fire, fire. Listen here. Hear ya.
Girl, so you got that fire thing on a record me?
Girl, me have to go this far. Cause me know you that deny. Me know you that deny. What you have to say now? You have one
Fine,
man.
that be nice. Fine. Are you Kazi? Are you call me on
Call
the phone?
me
you know?
Kazi.
You call me on the phone. Tell me some man. They want different girl here that cheat for me. And when me go up, they go lick up the man window. The man come out and say, I call police for me. So I did that for day with the man. No, for 3 months. But then I'm a second month. Me have 1 more month left for day with the man.
So wait there. What you mean by you have to deal with the man for 3 months? Me not understand.
The boy sell the car. You see, a few days when the girl left me, and go a Mandeville, they sell the car to a different man. So that the man that did have a car, and when I see it, he just selling. Yeah, I'm a look out the man window, nearly put myself in trouble. I nearly got jail feet. I have to deal with the man.
What you mean you have to deal with it? So there was no other way?
Yeah, jail or me there with him. So me there with him. That's the next option. Where did I have to do?
So what happened to when your man find out this?
Well, a good thing is, you know, find out yet and you know the find out. Friend.
Me not like the idea, yeah.
Me not have no choice. You want me to go to jail?
Sorry about that still. You see, you know the license plate? I swear feel safe. I did your man. That's why I call you. But next time we will know if you don't fast in people business.
Trouble not set up like rain. Anyway, girl, we get all of that on time rain. So I'm not going to go over back because inside I want to make one pack soup for you. So I'm going to go over and
Alright. I don't me did call you for still because I never understand what going on. They ball out fire, fire, fire.
you're lucky you may hear something else. Bye.
Yeah. Need work for you.
Yeah, wait a second.
Fire, fire. So me start calling now.
You're lucky.
From the road.
Oh, now put that sitting out there, someone. Girl, make your pillow wet up, star. Marika! 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 What's that do up? I like the style line. Left all the door up. Pure voice smell me I get. That girl and easy in the youth. All the place how the place pull up, man. No food me there in the place.
You know what's I reach? Yeah. I'm afraid if I go over there. I wonder if I come back. I'm going to tell him say no. Alright, later. Yeah. Oh God. Afraid. I'm going to tell him say. God. What me I do to myself? Afraid of fault. O'Neil! 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 I never see from my sleep. O'Neil!
Fall I know sit there.
O'Neil! O'Neil!
How about that? How about that?
O'Neil!
Yeah.
O'Neil, look how long me out here knock. O'Neil! O'Neil!
Hey. Acha. So I come from Jessup, sir.
Upon my friend him.
Where up Angie?
No.
Oh. I found from up Angie and tell me saying you know see her from when you know.
Upon my classmate them me I come from.
So I don't know where.
Oh, one of my classmates for a long time. You don't know
No boy, you don't normally know all your friend them. You know all of my friends them, you know?
Yes, me know.
So I don't know she, I say.
Since other day, me get back contact with her.
But that is unlike you, because you always call me and tell me where you gone. So, my friend, if you come here and see you, and the place pull up, no food, no cook, no nothing, so I don't understand. That is unlike you. You normally call me and tell me, say, yo, you touch the road. I don't know what kind of thing that. But anyway, like you do, something I prepare on us.
Babe, I have something to talk to you about, you know.
So what you want to talk to me about? You can't talk to me about anything, you know.
I know that. Anyway, I remember my friend I did tell about when I tell her, say...
Hold on, pause this. Mosquito, you like to discharge them?
No, I'm so light. I want to talk to you first.
Alright, where you say now? You have my full attention now. Where you say?
Okay. I remember the time when I tell her somebody go look for my school friend. Well, she set up a link for me go to Canada. For farm work.
Canada? Oh, you also to me, man? Canada?
Yeah.
So hold on. She have more than link there, because I remember that is good for me, you know, as a tradesman, you know.
I don't know her yet. True, she travel, so she does set up a link for me. So for this, I ask you first. I can't just get up and go, so we work together.
Don't know.
So what do you think?
So how long did that spend?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, I go for 6 months.
That's how long I got to take with my baby. Don't know. God knows that. Yo, boy, I go up on her sometime, but boy, when you know how I feel, believe me.
You understand? You see what me did I go through now?
But I like say, but at Jamaica me did there now, I still come home, you know. I still come home and I'm ready.
Whatever. What you say? Me can go or what?
Yeah, I'm not all about, but you know, boy, I tell a story.
I know say hard and everything, but I have to make better life for we. Remember, so we want to put her in the front room. We are make plans for the family and everything. So we have to do this.
Boy, all if a woman go up there and run off and not come back, you know.
Babe.
So it's like when me I tell you say you can't go far now, it's like me I tell you say, me have go have something in my back of my head, say boy, me can't tell you say to go on forever.
No.
And so now I always say,
listen, babe, we love each other, right? We have fun. You always go work and come back in. So why me go work
but at Jamaica, me always direct, not foreign.
Babe, me go come back. And me have to come back.
Boy, I want to suck down about 10 more than Guineas right now.
Stop that. Stop that.
I don't start nothing, but boy, so alright. 6 months, I say you spend?
Just 6 months.
Do what you do then, because you don't know. A better life, you know. But you don't know. Yo, no matter what.
You don't give me go ahead. So me go call my friend. Me go check my friend.
I don't want to get corrupt, you know, man.
Hey, stop. Stop that now.
I don't know what about, man, but boy, you hard to not corrupt, you know. Believe me, man. You see it. My grandfather always tell me, say, yo, never you try to hold back a woman, you know. You see it. Because if you try to hold back a woman, it's like you push them, man. See it. Your phone ring, every second for your phone ring. Yo, go and say your foot. I'm going to watch my football.
I'm a friend, and she want to know what me I go do. So, anyway, babe, me I go up there. Tell her we say everything. See paper them up there so with these sort them out already. I
Which
just didn't
paper?
want to go ahead.
Come here, I wonder so what kind of paper them then?
Yeah.
You see them around plain pan
Never
here.
call me.
Lock off that phone on the man. Lock off. I'm here your reason now. Lock off the phone on man.
Baby,
As long as I
get
find
ignorant
people, I
for.
find people I call you.
No, I'm a friend.
Lock
call
off
me
it.
if
Lock off the phone on man.
Stop that.
I better we are reason about. Now you just tell me say I Canada you go.
Yes.
So every second for your phone I ring. Just lower your phone down man.
Yeah, ready?
How that? I can't talk to you now, brother. Yo, link me tomorrow morning, man.
Yeah, come there.
Someone, yo.
I'm lock off your phone.
Why?
I'm lock off. Alright.
See me turn around from my virgin there. See me run out from my virgin there to raise it, my baby. Tell man, but what me I say now? Say, I remember me.
Of course, me go call her every day.
Lord, hey, yo, don't play with me, you know.
You know, you like when you send a picture.
You know, I like calling one for a video call, but I go call every day, you know.
Yes, you have to call me every day.
Oh, no, no, boy, look for. Yeah, me I tell her. No, boy, you know.
Them all look but I mean, if you know myself.
I'm matter of fact, me I put a sign for you. So look, but don't talk. This I don't know. I can't go all out. Yo, but for a big man level, I miss I still go out. All right, now, they are talking. I know. Oh, me no manage.
Yeah, we manage.
Okay, I know me even love to connect it now.
You know that.
Boy, me no manage, man.
Anyway, we go check my friend out.
Go on and forward, I don't know what about. The same friend.
Yes, the same friend.
Alright, do what you do.
Alright, let's go home.
But that time long, you know.
Me not stay long.
Matter of fact, me have time, you know. Yeah. My girl, let me know, man. What time you do, man? What time you do, man? I'm gonna get your police. Say yo, all you don't want money in the yo. That is not a good thing. Yeah.
Sometimes she says no, I don't work for you.
What's nothing wrong with that? What do you mean?
Stop. You know me not really like this man company, sorry.
You have money too much, man. So what you say what? You know? What's your name again? You know what I say? Come to think of it, you know.
Weird.
You know what I come to think of it? America got one Canadian program, you know, and a farmer thing, you know. So I wonder.
What that mean, say?
But I can't check. Oh, I did it again, my friend.
Come to think of it.
You know, so come to think of it, America got one Canadian program. And I can ask her to pull a string for you.
Look at you, and you have pause there now, stop it.
You don't want that?
What you mean, man? You know how long me feel left out of this country I go find work do? And get better for myself.
But you don't have a passport.
Who tell us so?
You look for a passport. You have a passport?
Remember, say, me not just there and sit down and do nothing. You know, remember, me I look work and me not look work one
You say
day.
you have a passport.
Yes, me have my passport. So just ask your girlfriend and tell me what she say. One way or other, me I get a work. Whether me have to go out of way, me have to get a work. Anyway, me I go back to her.
Yeah, man, you get the
Just
money
come.
now. Yeah, go over now.
You know,
Go along your yard, man.
you know, me not like your style sometimes.
Go along your yard.
Me not like your style
When
sometimes.
she park me
man.
ask her, go along. Tell mommy hi.
Aye.
Ramian!
Come in, Abby. Do up me, you know. Yeah, man, if I no broke no money, I act like a fire, man. Right now, I have to go buy one next one.
I forgot to buy one before weekend.
I see more I get here, I can't tell me.
In due time.
Never fun business. The fun I got. You see what? Right now, you come like a motor car. Smell it, you know, burn up. Alright, hear me I say, when a big man level. When I line up to my sister, same thing when I do. You say you couldn't line up to me, yeah. Alright, I'm tired that she come back and beg me.
You know, so it's peaceful because I did a line up to my sister as well. And you know, I go work out for my sister.
Ja.
And when we go over there, I think would I get one work for trade man for you.
That sounds good, that is it.
Yeah,
So
so
I know, you don't have to get me.
like seriously, I think when I really got friend after getting.
Sometimes I think about things like me there, I even though I agree, say, you gotta go. God know, like, I trust you and everything, you know, but you know, sometimes some can talk might pop up in the head, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
But I told me see I'm too old for a man, and a woman say them a come back and no. But I know, yeah, I know it. If I even not come back, I know say, you gotta take me up. So you say, you pull up.
Yeah,
So you couldn't just ask them, please.
the ask. Remember, say my sister me ask for some bake and the space full up.
Alright.
Probably one next time. Probably when we come back.
I'm going to call her and tell her I'm going to ask.
Yeah.
I don't did tell her already, say. I'm going to ask her. I don't want to call me to my sister miserable and I'm miserable and tell her already.
And money in come for, don't.
I will tell her.
You know, say money in come for. Anyways,
That I get her.
hurry up and fix up it and come on like that.
Yeah. Lean though. You're sorry, man. How you say it, man? Remember, you know, lean, I find it cool.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. It's another day, you know what I mean? Give thanks to life. And we have continued to put the best foot forward, you know what I mean? It ain't easy though, but we are doing the best we can do. So, we have some more extension for this movie. So, but we keep it up to date, so hope you enjoy it. And bless upon the day. Bless up the day, you know what I mean? Every day is Mother's Day, but then say this a day and Mother's Day, so have a good one, you know what I mean? One and all. Yeah, man. Big up every mother in the world. You love your mother? Burn it up.